good morning friends. Today we will see the consumption pattern of alcohol and its effects on the mind. So many people think what alcohol really causes. It is just for our pleasure, it's just our casual drinking. But when the control dysregulates or when the alcohol consumption becomes continuous or daily use, so this causes dysregulation in our brain chemicals, mainly the dopamine, serotonin, acetylcholine. So when the alcohol consumption exceeds, it not only has impacts on our mind, it has even associated development of mental health conditions. So basically our brain chemistry mainly depends on GABA, that is one of the chemical, dopamine, glutamate, serotonin. So all these things are neurochemical changes which are functioning in our brain. They disrupt, imbalance occurs, leading to multiple symptoms of mental health conditions. So basically ranging from thinking to behavior, everything including the memory is disrupted in this neurochemical imbalance. And all this thing is happening because of alcohol addiction or dependence, what we call in our psychiatric term. So addiction is nothing but dependence. So dependence is something which doesn't allow you to function unless you take that substance like alcohol. Unless you take that alcohol, you are unable to function in our day-to-day life. Your physiological symptoms, your appetite, your sleep, your blood pressure, everything becomes dysregulated, and it mainly happens because of alcohol addiction. So alcohol addiction not only causes our physiological changes, it also causes psychological symptoms. The physiological symptoms we have seen, that is all appetite, sleep, tremors, loss of sexual drive, even sleep disturbances, all those things will happen. But when it comes to memory, thinking, the behavior, it becomes mental health disorder, that is alcohol use disorder, what we call it as. So why is alcohol addiction is a mental illness? Because when you consume alcohol on daily basis, all it leads to disruption in your chemicals and leading to behavioral changes. You might have seen a person who's taking alcohol on daily basis, slowly the night drinks gradually shifts to morning, and eventually it becomes throughout the day. And there comes a day where he is unable to control his consumption, and without drinking alcohol he cannot pass the day, because when he stops alcohol he will develop tremors, sleep disturbances, behavioral issues, anger, irritability. Even when it becomes severe, the severe form of mental illnesses, the symptoms like hallucination, delusions do appear. So all these impacts on our daily life. In severe forms, even some patients develop seizures, that is alcohol withdrawal seizures. So one need to think before consume and act before it's too late. Thank you.